Dive into the cloud of strawberry sweetness. Let's make strawberry mousse. In a bowl, take half cup whipping cream. Blend the cream around 2-3 minutes. Then add melted white chocolate. Melt the chocolate in microwave, or you can use double boiler method. Now add strawberry compote or strawberry crush. I have shared its recipe in my strawberry ice cream recipe. You can find it on my channel. I will share the link in description box as well. We don't need stiff peaks, only need this type of consistency. I am serving my strawberry mousse like this. You can try many variations like strawberry parfait with cakes. Creativity is endless. Try it and you will not regret. Thanks for watching.